So here I am standing at the cathedral in Santiago, a week's walking. It's been absolutely amazing. I can't even describe what I've had from this incredible experience. And what I wanted to do is first of all share some of the gifts that I've received from this incredible journey, but also offer you an EFT process to help you if you also did the Camino, that you can enjoy and treasure and capture the essence of what you received. So I think for me the kind of qualities that I received is that it helped me to feel capable, because that's something that I wasn't really feeling. It helped me to feel stronger and more confident in my body, that I can do these physical things of walking day after day after day, and how my feet are absolutely amazing, as I'm sure yours are if you did the Camino, because we all have amazing feet that walk us one step at a time. And also the connection to the beautiful people that I met, the love that I felt, and the sense of presence, that it really is about one step at a time. And I know it's cliche, but it really is about the journey and not the destination. And that's what I think is, it really has been captured for me. And the other thing is feeling safe. So that's one thing that I wanted to mention, because I remember one day I veered off the path, the Camino path with the yellow arrows, and because I was looking for a supermarket, it was just a bit off the path. And Google Maps told me there was one in a local village, and I walked to that local village, and suddenly I was in the middle of northern Spain. I wasn't on the path, and I suddenly felt quite vulnerable, because I didn't have that Camino energy with me, and it suddenly made me realise that when I'm on the path I feel safe, and when I'm off the path suddenly I'm just a stranger in a strange land. And I thought, I want to feel that Camino bubble everywhere I go. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do like a tapping session, and I invite you to think about the qualities that you gain from the Camino as well. So for me, as I said, it's connection, it's feeling safe, it's feeling capable and strong, and love and presence. So if you haven't done EFT before, it stands for Emotional Freedom Techniques. It's like tapping, it's called tapping as well. It's like acupuncture for emotions without the use of needles. And the invitation is just to do what I do and say what I say. And if you don't like what I do or say, then just, you can switch this video off. You never have to see me look at me again. But if you do want to join in, then just join in now. But if you do, then you take responsibility for your own well-being in this process. So we're going to start by tapping on the side of the hand. Either hand is fine. We can do both hands together. And just repeat the words after me. Even though I finished the Camino, and I want this Camino bubble to continue. The Camino bubble of presence. Now I'm going to say the words that are relevant to me, but if these words aren't relevant to you, then just change them, okay? So that my bubble of presence, and my bubble of Camino love, and my bubble of Camino safety, and my bubble of Camino connection. And I want to retain all of these qualities as I continue my journey through life. So I'm going to start tapping through all the points now, starting with the top of the head. This Camino bubble. Filling it with even more love. Filling it with even more connection. Filling it with even more feeling capable and strong. Filling it with a sense of presence. Filling it with a sense of joy. Filling it with even more love. And warmth. So this is just under the arm. Even more warmth. And if your Camino bubble had a colour, what colour would it be? For me, I think it would be a golden yellow and mixed with turquoise, shimmering golden turquoise. And infusing that Camino bubble, and for me it's shimmering golden turquoise, into every cell of my body and every fibre of my being, and radiating that turquoise and gold Camino bubble energy out around me, in front of me and behind me, to my sides, above and below me, and radiating it out into every aspect of my life, into my healthy feet that have walked every step of the way, into the whole of my body, into my health, and into my home, and into my work, and into my family, and into my finances, and my spiritual well-being, and every aspect of my life. Infusing that into every area and aspect of my future. I've just bumped into a friend of mine, a Camino friend, who I'm going to say hello to any minute. Oh, Camino magic and Camino miracles. And just say transform, and take a deep breath, transform. So this is my gift to you, fellow Camino travellers. Please share it and enjoy it and repeat it as much as you need to. Lots of love.